Hello guys, my name is Vladimir and you're on Russian Traders channel. Vladimir, Aleja, we are here to trade, analyze and make some really good profits, of course. So before we move on to the trading, make sure guys you leave your thumbs up because this one is gonna be hot and you definitely want to see my future videos, so make sure you're subscribed not to miss them. And let's move on straight to the trading. Right now, what we're gonna do first.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
First of all, let's set up our workspace, and here we are choosing Zigzag indicator, we are choosing Fractals, and here we are choosing MACD, wow. And let's set the periods as well, so it's pretty cool at the moment. And what else, and Vortex, of course. Yeah, pretty cool. Trading pair here. Here basically what do we see? Let's set the amount, and right now I'm opening a sell trade with 50 bucks. Remember, we are starting out with only 50 bucks, okay? So right now I'm opening a sell trade over here, and after after this trend change, it's huge trend change. You see this abnormal candle right now. It hit the resistance and started to decline. So we hit the resistance level on top and we started a decline, very abnormal decline by the way. And here we expect a pullback all the way down to 135.040 level, okay? And right now basically that's what's happening over here on the screen, on the graph. And if you take a look at our indicators as well, you will see these red lines are going up, which means that the sellers are taking power. And here, meanwhile, these green lines are going down, which means that the buyers are losing power. And we got a trade closed almost 0.50 cent, 96 bucks. So we doubled our initial amount. That's pretty good beginning of a trader's day. Let's move on to the next pair. But before we move on, make sure guys you leave your thumbs up because, as I promised, this one is gonna be hot. Okay, what do we see? Right now we're entering the amount $96 and I'm opening a buy trade here. We expect a rebound from the support zone as the hammer pattern has formed. So this is called hammer pattern, okay? If you want, by the way, to know more about these patterns, indicators, strategies, tactics, you will find all this info absolutely free in my Telegram channel. The link is down below, absolutely free. So take it, use it, all for you guys. So here, basically right now, we are bouncing off the zigzag line and at the minimum an approach to the liquidity zone at 19.89500. You see this level, right? So that's basically what's happening over here at the moment. And what else can I say? Here the price is absolutely clearly going up at the moment. If you take a look at the MACD, you will see this green line is slowly going up, which means that the buyers are taking the power. And meanwhile the Vortex indicator is telling us pretty same. Yes, we got a trade closed, $185. Pretty good, pretty good. Applause, Aleja, thank you for your expertise. Let's move on to the next pair right now here. One more word about indicators. You should know how they work, and if you want to learn how they work, right now I'm opening a buy trade over here with 185 bucks. Why? Let me explain. Here we expect a sideways exit to the upside at the moment, and there is a push to the resistance level of 0.85050, you see, and the MACD oscillator is ready to give a signal for growth as well. So we got overall option going up right now at the moment. So all these indicators, MACD, Vortex, are telling us pretty same thing. Right now this green line is growing up as well, which means that the buyers are taking the power. Meanwhile we are in a rebound from the strong fractals, so we are in a rebound. So clear situation where the price is growing up. Okay, so if you want to know the details, all the information in my Telegram channel, guys, all the information in my Telegram channel, absolutely free. And here right now we're still waiting, the price is still oscillating. Yes, we got a trade close, $351. Pretty good, I guess. Let's move on to the next pair. And let's open right now a sell trade over here. You will ask me why. I will explain. here we are in a strong downtrend at the moment. You see very strong downtrend right now. So we have the option down. So both oscillators show us its continuation at the moment. MACD, Vortex, they're all telling us that there is a very huge powers, selling powers I mean. So right now the option is going down at the moment, and also there are no preconditions for a bounce according to the price action right now. So there are no indicators telling us right now that we can bounce from any strong level or something, because here all these Fractal, for example, we already broke through this level. Well, very not a common story, not a common situation. Okay, so here we see an inverted hammer pattern at the top, right? So all these indicators are telling us that the price is going down at the moment, and yes, basically you see the buyers are trying to take the power to go to the scene, but they don't succeed. Great, our trade is closed, 679. Pretty good, I like it. Okay, so let's move on to the next pair. $678. Right now I'm opening here a sell trade. Okay, right now I'm opening here a sell trade, and we expect an approach to the support level by the Fractal and the Zigzag in the framework of the decline. So we expect to approach to the support level. Okay, 135,020, you see this level, right? So further its breakdown is possible. It is possible. Vortex and the MACD give us a short signal as well, because you see these green lines are going down, red lines are over it on top, which means that the sellers are taking the power, and right now we can see immediate fall of the price here, a very huge candle as well. So we are going down, the option is going down. Pretty normal situation. Let's just be patient, golden rule, be patient and wait for it. Yep, let's just wait for it. So while we are waiting, I'm about to remind you, my name is Vladimir, you're on the Russian Traders channel. We are here trading, analyzing and making really good profits, just like this one. $1,300 in less than 1 minute, guys. Pretty easy and simple, and all this additional information you'll find in my Telegram channel, which the link is down below. So let's move on to the next pair right now. Pair here, 1311, I'm opening right now a sell trade, and let me explain you why. We got here both oscillators on the continuation of the decline. Okay. You can see this MACD and Vortex, they're telling us that there is much more selling power on the market right now. After the breakdown of the strong support zone over here at 0.08500, you see, right? So after the breakdown of this strong support zone, there is a movement without a pullback, so the option is down right now. In confirmation of the theory, we see a pattern over here, a broken hammer, a green candle with a long fatal to the upside. You see this broken hammer, right? So all these indicators are telling us that right now the option is going down with no close possibility to reverse and rebound. So absolutely bearish movement right now. Here, yes, we got a trade close, $2,500. How do you like it? Leave your thumbs up and leave your comments. Maybe I will even reply them. Okay. Yes, I guess we're done over here. We can move on to the next pair right now. Yes, let's move on to the next one. 2517, I'm opening a buy trade at the moment, and here what can I say? We are out of the liquidity zone to the upside right now, and here strong recoiling movement. Okay, we see a close at the candle's high. Okay, the MACD has signaled an upward move as well. The MACD already indicates that the option is going up, therefore the option is up. Okay, so the Vortex is still having some doubts. That's why it's very useful, guys, to use several indicators at a time, because you should consider the more useful information you can. Okay, the more the better. Of course, not always. You should know which indicators to use. You shouldn't use all these 100 indicators for one trading session, but you should pick most useful for them and consider all of them. Okay, so which indicators to pick? All the answers in my Telegram channel. Great, trade closed, 4,800 bucks, we're done. Have you remembered, I told you at the very beginning, remember guys, we're starting with 50 bucks and right now we have more than $4,000 done. Amount $3,000 right now, and I'm opening a sell trade at the moment. Here what is happening basically, it is starting a pullback after a long trend. Okay, we could not get above 135.060. You see this level right here on the screen. So here the Vortex gave us a down signal at the moment already. Here the Vortex already gave us the signal, so the option is down, and the target is a point on a zigzag below. Okay, below 134.973. You see also this level, right? So these indicators are telling us that right now we are going down. So here the MACD indicator is starting to understand, to figuring it out what actually is happening. We already can see almost the intersection of these lines. Well, consider these indicators, several indicators at a time, guys. Perfect. You see, $5,760. Well, whew, that was really hard. 10 minutes, we are done. More than $5,000. Not bad, guys, I think. Leave your thumbs up if you like what's happening over here, and if you like the way I'm trading. Make sure you are subscribed not to miss my future videos, because me and Aleja, we are trading every week and we are making really good profits. Okay, if you need some more additional and useful information, you will find it down below on my Telegram channel. Thank you for watching, guys. That was Vladimir, Russian Traders channel. See you in the next video.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.